Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorible, how to create your website for your personal finance and budgeting business, easy and quick. So first type Dorible on the search. So as we know, Dorible website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So we know also that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business. Now enter your business name. Type any business name you want. And here select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first let's go to the first section on the website. The first section is the header of the website. You can change the site name. If you want to turn this on, the logo, and replace company name with the logo. Here if you want to upload the file. Also if you want to change the label or add a new label. Here if you want to add a link, and if you want to manage your social link settings. If you want to add a channel, just select the type of the social link. Here if you want to add a link. So that's it. uh, if you want to manage the style of the section, you can manage the positioning and the social icon, the full width, the sticky, the spacing, and the background. So let's save this. If you want to add a section on the website, just click here and select any section you want from here. That's it. Let's move on to the next section. The next section is the banner of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to change this, the heading, just click here and it will be changed. If you want to change the subtext, just regenerate it and it will be changed. Also if you want to change the label, just click change it from here. If you want to add a link from here, also if you want to manage the style of the section, spacing or the horizontal alignment or the background. Here if you want to regenerate image, if you want to edit the image position, or if you want to edit the background overlay. Here if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the text and image section of the website. If you want to regenerate the content, uh, just click here and it will be changed. If you want to edit or manage the size or the type of the writing, here if you want to regenerate another image, if you want to edit the image position, you can add the label or change the label. You can add the link. Here if you want to manage the style of the section, the text alignment or the image alignment or the image or the spacing. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the list section of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to change this, if you want to manage the display settings, choose what will be displayed for each list item. You can manage the list items and you can add the list item. You can generate image. If you want to generate a title, if you want to generate content here, and you can also add a label or add a link. So that's it. Let's save this. Here if you want to manage the style of the section, the alignment and the spacing and the background, the vertical alignments. So that's it. Let's save this. The next section The next section is the testimonial section. You can edit it from here if you want to add this testimonial. Here, if you want to generate a code, you can generate by who. Just select the here if you want to generate by who the code, and if you want to upload another image. So let's save this. The next section is the gallery section of the website. If you want to change this, if you want to regenerate the image, you can upload image from browser. Just put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to from library, choose some image from library or from here. So for example, let's pick some image from here. For example, this. So let's save this. Let's save this and let's move on. The next section, the location section of the website, you can change this. The heading, if you want to change the business address. Here, if you want to add additional text files, you can add the title or the content. So that's it. Let's close this. The next section, the contact form section, you can edit it from here. If you want to regenerate the contact form, here if you want to manage files, if you want to custom input labels, let's turn this on. If you want to manage or if you want to generate a form success message, just click here and it will be generated. Now let's save this. The next section, the last section on the website, the header, the footer. Just click here. You can edit the footer section on the website. Here, if you want to change the business name, you can turn this on and replace company name with a logo. If you want to upload a file, here you can add additional details. You can add your business address or any other relevance details. And here, if you want to manage your social links, you can add the channel. So that's it. Now let's save this. If you want to regenerate the content of any section, just click here and select the content and it will be changed. If you want to regenerate the style of any section, just click here and it will be changed. If you don't like the entire section, you can just select it and it will be regenerated. If you want to duplicate it from here, if you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to delete it from here, so let's save this. Now all you have to do is publish your website and that's it. Now wait a few seconds to publish your website. Now you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.